My dear viewers, this is Dr. Ramchandramurthy. I am going to present. Please listen carefully. These questions will come in the examination point of view. Okay. Now coming to question number 1. So this is a topic related to library automation. Now, full form of SIR net. Full form of SIR net. Now coming to that, normally S for here scientific and industrial research, or for here research network. Okay, so here scientific, industrial, research network, we can write network. This is a very important question. Full form of SIR net. Okay, scientific and industrial research network. Now question number 2, ERNET, ERNET, education research network. Okay, education research network. The headquarter, HQ stands for headquarter, is located at. So in which place it was located? ERNET is the one net type of network under the automation. SIR net, like that, ERNET, education and research network. Okay, now it was located at New Delhi. It is the capital city of India, New Delhi. The ERNET was established in the place New Delhi. We will discuss later what is ERNET, what is the SIR net, like that. Now question number 3. So normally, so you may see the matching. So OCLC and JONET, ERNET, and international development research center. Okay, research center. Now here the difference, here UK, United Kingdom, and Canada, and USA, and India. So like this match will give in the examination point of view. Very important question. OCLC, JONET, ERNET, International Development Research Center. Now IDR. Okay, IDR, that is nothing but a IDR, International Development Research Center. So all are belonging to networks. Okay, now OCLC is related to the USA. OCLC, Online Computer Library Catalog. Okay, OCLC is related to USA. Okay, JONET. Okay, Joint Academic Network. JONET is related to UK. Already you know ERNET, Education Research and Network is related to India. Okay, OCLC USA, JONET UK, ERNET India, International Development Research Center. The remaining what here? Canada. Okay, so this is the third question. We have the 4 elements, 4 important questions. JONET anagane manamo UK, ERNET anagane India, OCLC anagane USA, United States of America. Then next, International Development Research Center, IDR, it is in special form Canada. Okay, coming to the fourth question, question number 4. Now, InflibNet HQ headquarters is located at. So, ఇన్ఫ్లిబ్నెట్ హెడ్ క్వార్టర్స్ ఎక్కడ ఉంది, ఎక్కడ లాంచ్ అయింది, ఎక్కడ ఎస్టాబ్లిష్మెంట్ అయింది అనేది మనకి క్వశ్చన్ ఇస్తారు. ఆన్సరు అహ్మదాబాద్. అహ్మదాబాద్ ఈజ్ ఇన్ఫ్లిబ్నెట్ హెడ్ క్వార్టర్. ఇన్ఫ్లిబ్నెట్ హెడ్ క్వార్టర్ located at Ahmedabad. So the fourth question is for the question number 5th. He is here. Question number 5th is here like that. The matching Delnet, MyLibnet, InflibNet, ERNet. So these are the one side points. And 1995, 1988 and 1991 and 1986, these are the years. So in each and every year has a specialization to establish these 4 networks. Okay, now Delnet, developing library network. Okay, MyLibnet, Mysore Library Network, InflibNet, Information Library Network, ERNet, Education Research Network, Education and Research Network. So, developing library network and Delhi Library Network also. So, why that established and renamed like that, we will discuss later. Delnet is established in the year 1998. Delnet is established in the year 1988. Now, MyLibnet is established in 1995. You remember 1995. Then InflibNet 1991 and ERNet 1986. First you see Delnet in 1988, MyLibnet 1995, InflibNet 1991 and ERNet 1986. Okay, the question number next one is 6th. Question number 6. So here you see who produced and maintained INS. Who produced and maintained International Nuclear Information System. Okay, INS. Okay, now the answer is IAEA, International Atomic Energy Agency. International Atomic Energy Agency. Okay, so INS the maintained the IAEA, International Atomic Energy Agency. The next question number 7th. Who developed National Catalogue of Scientific Serial? Now, catalog means here National Union Catalogue of Scientific Serial of India. So we can write as a abbreviative form NUCSSI. Okay, who developed National Union Catalogue of Scientific Serial of India? NUCSSI. Please remember NUCSSI. This is nothing but a U for here, Union. Catalog Scientific Serial of India. So normally here this is the INSDAC, Science Documentation Center. INSDAC. This answer is Science Indian National Science Documentation Center is developed the NUCSSI, the catalog. Okay, over of the 7 questions, then 8th one. Coming to the 8th one, it is also related to matching NICNet. We will discuss this concept. Indonet, NICNet, Indonet, INET, DELNet. Okay, the years are given orderly: 1986, 1988, 1977, 1991, like this. So here we have to match. If you know the years of establishment of each and every network, we can identify easily. We may expect this type of question in the examination point of view. Now, the NICNet was established in the year 1977. NICNet. So we will discuss deeply what about the NICNet. 1977. Then Indonet, 1986. Okay, 1986. Then INET is established in the 1991. The remaining DELNet is here 1988. So similarly, a very important question. If you remember these years and establishment of the networks, very important. You use the some key points. NICNet 1977, Indonet 1986, and INET 1991, DELNet 1988. Just we discussed about DELNet 1988 in the previous question. Okay, the next question number 9. Question number we are discussing about the 10 questions in each the explanation. The next here, INIS, International Nuclear Information System. Okay, headquarter. Okay, INIS headquarter located at INIS headquarters located at, the answer is Vienna. Answer is Vienna. It is a place. Okay, it is a place, Vienna. INIS headquarters, INIS, INIS headquarters located at the particular place is Vienna. 10th one. Question number 10th. Now, DELNet is a dash. So DELNet is a one metropolitan. The answer is here the metropolitan area network. Metropolitan area network. Okay, it is a metropolitan area network. So these are the 10 questions, very important to you. So please you and remember and attempt in the examination point of view perfectly. So this is the information about automation, library automation, 10 most important questions. Okay, then coming to next concept is here the topics, particularly the network. The next topic is network. So what about the network? Now what about the network? So network is particularly a collection of computers, services, mainframes, network devices, peripherals, or other devices connected to one another to allow the sharing data, the sharing information. Normally, a network is a collection of computers, services, mainframes, network devices, peripherals, some equipments, peripherals or other devices connected to one another, to allow the sharing the data, sharing information. A network is an internet, nothing but an internet which connects millions of people all over the world. It is interconnecting and passing information and sharing data. For that purpose, the network is most important center equipment. Now, one of the first computer network to use packet switching, ARPANET. It is a ARPANET. So, which was developed in the particular year 1960. So, message was sent first on 29th October 1969. The message passed one place to another place. The first message was sent to first on 29th October 1969. You remember this one. So, ARPANET developed in the which year? 1960. Okay. Network implies a physical connection between the components and parts. So, information network is placing a very, very important role in the present world, present globe. The globe is field. Globe is like as a village. Is it no? Immediately where the incident occurred, immediately we are getting that information due to only network. The network is spreading over the globe. The globe is treated as a village. Okay, the sharing of resources among organization has been becoming more and more important and useful these days. So each and every department interconnected by using only internet only, the network only. Network is giving information spontaneously by applying various peripherals, mainframes, network devices. With that devices, we are getting information. Each and every information is sharing one equipment to another equipment, one device to another devices. This is called a network. The main objective of networking is to promote avenues for effective utilization of information through sharing of resources by a group of libraries. The main objective of the networking is to promote different avenues for effective utilization of the information through sharing and transferring, nothing but a cooperating sharing of resources by a group of libraries. That is the main objective. So simply main objective network sharing the information, required information. Is it the basic objective of any information networks are identify and establish better ways for improving the follow of information anyway, any numbers and a number of institutions. Okay, different institutions are located in India. The different institutions will get information as per the spontaneously, as per the requirement of them. The information is shared by only networks. That is the main objectives. The library networks are usually created through formula arrangements and may include libraries of different geographical regions and thematic areas. Different areas located the libraries. Each and library is a information center. The term network is used to designate library networks, cooperate library organizations, library consortia, and cooperating library arrangements. For that reasons, the network is placing a very important role in the world. So every information is very important. Network is a interconnected collection of autonomous computers. When two or more computers are joined together, that they are capable for exchanging and sharing the information they from using the network only. So in the year 1969, the first message was sent as by using the networks only. People exchanged information and played games and expanded rapidly the information from one place to another place. It is possible. The ARPANET here, Advanced Research Project Agency Network. Advanced Research Project Agency Network was established in the year 1960 and first message for transferred 29th October 1969. Okay, so this is the information about the network. Then coming to next concept is here EARNet. EARNet. So already we know the EARNet full form. EARNet, Education and Research Network. Education and Research Network. So it is the name of the network which has been working in the field of particularly education and research. So in the form of EARNet, Education and Research Network. So it was established in the year particularly 1986. The EARNet is one important network in India. In India, it was established in the year 1986. Particularly, the place is New Delhi. New Delhi is the located place. Education and Research Network is particularly in the field of education only and also research, and it was established in 1986. And the place is, the question will come in the what is the place EARNet located, like that way. So New Delhi. Now founder of minister, who are the founder of Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology. Who is the founder of EARNet? The Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology. So now here Ajay Prakash Swahane is the chairman. Ajay Prakash Swahane is the chairman. Now Neena Panhaj is the director. Neena Panhaj is the director of the EARNet system. So this is the information about the EARNet. Simply they are asking question, what is the full form of EARNet and the main aim of the EARNet, and in which place it was located, who is the sponsor of the, who is the founder of the EARNet. Those are the question. This network is specialized to giving work in the field of the education and research network. It is useful to India level only. Okay, then next coming to NICNet. Next one is NICNet. So please remember years, very important. Okay, NICNet. So